Hi, my name's Sue and this is Sue Marie P. Yes, I only have half a voice. I've been sick and I haven't been able to film because I lost my voice. I love eating black lentils and today I'm going to share you how to cook them. These are great because they hold their shape. They don't go mushy like red lentils. Perfect for adding to salads, soups, stews, pasta sauces. High in protein, high in fibre, naturally gluten-free, and high in some other things like iron, folate, magnesium and zinc. I love them. Delicious. So let's get cooking. I've rinsed my lentils in cold water. No need to soak. So I'm going to add them to my pot. 1 cup of lentils and 3 cups of water. And I just splashed it everywhere. So I'll bring it to boil for about 5 minutes, then I'm going to simmer it and cook it for another 20 minutes. So I've got it boiling now. I'm going to drop it down. It's important to keep an eye on it in case it needs a little bit more water. I'll just top it up as I go. That's 25 minutes. I'm just going to check whether they're soft. We've got a tiny bit of liquid left at the bottom. I'm going to give them 5 more minutes. Okay, that's finished cooking and there's almost no water left. I'm going to sit it here for 10 minutes just to cool down with the lid on, and then I'll come back and I'll have a taste test. So first I just want to show you a close-up of the cooked lentils. They're still quite warm, but I love how they're still separate and they're not mushy. So let me just go back in and try one. The texture's perfect. It's al dente, yet soft. I'm going to wait till these lentils are completely cool, and then I store them in something like this. Hopefully it'll fit into this today. Let me know in the comments if you've liked my video today on how to cook black lentils, and if you've never tried them, please give it a go. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Hej då from Sweden.